All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in something really old. Pretty original too. 1932 Ford Roadster. This is all Henry Ford steel. It's got an updated flathead in it, an AB they call it. It's a little newer flathead, probably something from the late 40s, early 50s. It's got 40s juice brakes on the front, which are nice to have. They work a little better than the earlier style brakes. But it's kind of work in progress. This car sat for a long time. The motor was done about 1,500 miles ago. Seems to run pretty good, shifts decent. But you know, got a few things to do. Needs a little bit of brake work and a little suspension work, things like that. But it's an original old car, and they're valuable. Anything in the original old steel Roadsters seem to do really well. Of course, it's 3-speed on the floor. It's got some 15-inch spoke wheels on it. So it looks like an old hot rod, something somebody would have built in the 40s. The paint actually is pretty nice. When we got it, it was a little faded, been sitting in a barn, and my guys cleaned it up, polished it, and it came out really nice actually. It's got a couple aftermarket gauges here, got an oil pressure gauge, got an amp gauge, temp gauge. The gas gauge doesn't work. We just found that out a little while ago. Ran out of gas, but not driving it, just sitting there. Top's original and in pretty good shape. Pretty cool old car. You know, the hot rods of these cars are fun, and you know, put a small block Chevy in it, or a small block Ford, or a blower, or whatever. We've got them like that too. But we've only had a couple like this that are kind of original, old school, and they're popular. They always sell. I think it's got straight exhaust. I don't even think it's got mufflers on it, so you can hear it coming down the street. It's got a split exhaust. Well, we'll go up here, we'll take some more pictures so you can get a better look at it. All right, we're going to do our little walk around here with our 1932 Ford Model 18, which is basically a V8 version of the Roadster. Pretty cool. This is an original 1932 steel car. Got a couple hot rod things onto it. It's got a little later model flathead. It's got a drop axle in the front with some shocks. 40 Ford juice brakes up front. All the stuff that people used to do a little later on in the, you know, around the 40s, early 40s, so the car would stop better and drive better. Got 3-speed manual gearbox on the floor. Shifts good, synchros feel good. This paint is old. You wouldn't believe what this car looked like when we got it. Just old and kind of faded. And it was probably high quality paint from way back in the day, because it looks great now for its age, you know. It's got the 15-inch spoke wheels. All the chrome is nice. Got the Ugo horn there. Original 32 grill shell, nothing aftermarket. Still got the hole in the bottom for the crank. Pretty neat car though. Running boards are in great shape. Top's in great shape. Open it up for you here. Nice interior. Seats are nice. All the wood, all the floors are good. Dash panels. I'm sure some of this stuff is updated, not original, like those old VDO gauges, of course. It says on the door jamb that the motor was rebuilt or replaced 500 some odd miles. So now it's got 2420, so about 1,500 miles on the motor. All the chrome up here, all the wood frame is in good shape. Got the solid back window. Pretty cool. That's kind of neat too. A little floor plate. Covers the battery box. Great looking car. Runs good. A few things to finish up, but all old cars need that. It's a real one. All right, here's the power plant in the 32 Ford Roadster. Couple goodies on there. It's got some early Edelbrock heads. It's got an Edelbrock Super intake, they call it. Dual carburetors. It's got a 12-volt updated system, so it starts real easy. Starts up good. It's got electric fuel pump also. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. That thing, man. Chitty chitty bang bang. Pretty cool. It's got headers on it. I don't think it has mufflers. Like a dual split out the back. Sounds pretty good going up the road. A little raspy. Pretty cool, man. So if you want to check out this 32 Roadster in person, come out to see us in Simi Valley. We're at 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person and want to get a little better look at it. Thanks for watching.